Good day, my dear student in Alahram Modern School. Welcome you all, my dear student who's in Primary 5, who's going to Primary 6. Today we're going to have a second session of our revision. We're going to start with the sets. Let us remember, what is the sets? It's a collection of knowing objects that are clearly defined, so that we can't call any collection of a group of objects is a set. So the sets, as we studied, that it has some items or some object, so we will call this object the elements of a set. When we have these two symbols, the first one it's belong to, and the second one isn't belong to. So when we have exercise like this in your mini booklet, page 10, complete the following by using belong or doesn't belong. The belong and doesn't belong, that's deal with the element which contain or which make a set. So all you have to do is 4 is considered of one of the elements of the sets that you see in front of you. So search, is 4 exist in this set? You say yes, miss, it is. So 4 belong to this set. So another example, 8. Do you see 8 here? No, the sets that you see have only 2 elements, 9 and 7, and 8 definitely doesn't belong to this set. Okay, another one, number 45. This is a little bit tricky. Number 45. Here in this set, you have only 2 elements. The first one is number 4, and the second one is number 5. So here I can't see number 45 inside this set. So 45, it doesn't belong to this set. The last one, 45. Here I have 45. 45 here in this set. Yes, you can see the number 45 inside this set. So 45 belong to this set. I hope you understand this one. Another exercise about the subsets. The subsets, it's a relation between two sets, but it have a condition. Each element in the first set exists in the second set. So let's start by see what is the symbol that I'm going to write. If each element in the first exists in the second, so I will use this. We call it the subset. The subsets. And if it doesn't exist, so we will use this one, and it has a dash on it, so it means that there is some element that I can't find it in the first set. So let's start the first one. Here I have the set A equal 0, 2, 4, 6, and I have another set, it's called B. It has 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. It has more elements. So all you have to do is to look for the look inside the first set. You will cancel the common elements. So here I have 0, and in the other sets I have 0. Here I have 2, and other sets we have 2. What about 4? Yes, we see 4 in the first set, and it's also in the second set. And 6, yes, we see 6 in the first set, which is A, and we also see 6. So each element in the first set A exists in the second set B. So we will say that A is a, yes, subset of B. A is a subset of B. Another one. Here we have the set of Y equal, its elements are 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, and we have the set Z, their elements are 3, 7, 4, 5, 11, 12, 15. So all you have to do is to make sure that each element in Y exists in Z. So let's cross the common element. Here I will cross 3 with 3, 5 with 5, 7 with 7, 11 with 11. Now, do you see 13 in the second set? No, miss, I can't see it. So that means we have missed an element in Y. So that means this set is not a subset of Z, because 13 is in Y and it isn't in Z. Okay, another one, L, the set of L equal this two empty bracket or braces. It means that this is phi. It has no element inside it. So the other set S, it has 6, 8, 10, 12, and as you see there is also an empty space or empty sets inside S as well. So I can see that phi, or these two empty braces, is a subset of any set. So phi, the set of L, which is mean phi, is a subset from any set, and we took this rule: phi is a subset from any set. Any set generally has a phi set inside it. Okay, another one is intersection. So intersection, simply it means a common element. Element exists in the two sets as well. So here, what are the common element? So search for the common element. Here I have number 4 in the first set, and I have number 4 in the second set. So here 4 is a common element between these two sets. So the answer is going to be the set of 4. Please write it between two brackets because it's a relation between two sets. So the answer is going to be the set of 4. Another one, the first set, its elements are 5, 7, 8 intersected 4, 2, 1. As you see, there aren't any common elements between these two sets. So what I'm going to do in my answers, so easy. When we see there is any common element between these two sets, all you have to do is phi, like an O, and it has dash inside it. So the answer is going to be phi. There isn't any common element between these two sets. Another one, here we have the set of 3. Please read the set and search for the common element to get the answer of the intersection. So the first one, I'm going to read it. It is the set of 3. Its set inside it is one element, which is number 3. So this intersects with another set. It has only one element inside it, but it is 33. So here I have 3 intersect the set of 33. There is no common element. The first one is 3, the second element is 33, so the answer is going to be also 5. Okay, another thing is the union. Union, it means all the elements in the two sets. This is so easy. It's like the letter U. So when you see this symbol you're going to write all the elements in the two sets, but before do that, make sure that you don't write the elements 2 times. Never repeat the element. Never repeat the element inside the set, and the orders of the element inside the set, it doesn't matter. Okay, so here first, can you see any common element between them? No, I can't see, so I'm going to open bracket and I will write inside it all the elements. I will write 2, 3, 1, 5, and 6. And as I told you, the order of the element inside the set, it doesn't matter. You can write any order of the element, but make sure that you write all the elements inside your bracket. Okay, another one, here I have the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, union the set of 3, 4, 6. Before you start to write the answer, search for the common element. Here I have 3 in the first set, and I have 3, so 3 is a common element, and also I have 4 in the first set and 4. When I do these steps, when I cross the common element, that make like a alarm for me to remind me, please don't write 3 2 times. You're going to write 3 and 4 only 1 times. Okay, now I'm going to open a bracket sorry, and I'm going to write all the elements inside it. So I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in the second set, all I'm going to do is to write number 6. Please don't repeat 3 and 4 2 times. The last one here, I have the set of 8 union the set of 8. So here 8 is a common element, so the answer is going to be the set of 8. Don't write 8, 8. We don't write the common element 2 times, okay? And we have another slide is the difference between two sets. Let's give you an idea about the difference. This is so easy, by the way. This is the most easy part. The difference between these two sets, it's the element exists in the first set and it doesn't exist in the second set. Yes, I know this sounds so weird, but believe me, the answer is so easy. So let's start with answer the first one. As I told you, please first search for the common element. So here we have common element between them is number, yes, 2. 2 is in the first set and also in the second set. After you search for the common element, please hide the second set after the difference sign. Hide the second set. So I will cancel this set. I will hide this set. So the element that remainder in the first set, they are 4 and 5. So the answer is going to be the set of 4 and 5 or 5 and 4. I told you that the orders of the element inside the sets, it doesn't matter. Another example here, I will search for the common. So here I have 4 and in the other sets I have also 4. So I will cross or cancel the other set. So the left here is set of 3. Now it became easy for you to solve the difference. You're going to play with difference. So easy. So here I have in this example, here I have 7 and 7, so I'm going to cancel or cross 7 with 7, hide 7 with 7. Then I have also common 8 and 8, I'm going to hide 8 with 8. Secondly, I'm going to hide all the element in the second, and so is any number left here to write? No, so my answer is going to be 5. Another one, here I don't have any common element, I have only x and y, so I'm going to hide the set of x and y. So the left here is set of a, b, c. This is my answer. Now when I have the difference of 5, so I will hide this 5, so the answer is going to be, or the remainder element is going to be the set of 5 and 6. Here I have 0, so I will hide 0, so the answer is going to be the set of 5. Okay, another part on page 12. This is a relation between the set of the natural number. We said that the set of the natural number consists of the set of the even number, and we took the even and the odd in our previous revision. So the natural number consists of the even union the set of the odd number, the set of the even numbers union the set of the odd numbers. That will give me the natural numbers, the set of the natural number. When we have relation between the natural or even, we're going to use these two symbols. Here is the union, and let me give you a hint. The union between the natural in any small set, that will give me the bigger set. And if he asks you to get the intersection between the natural in any small set, so the answer is going to be the small sets. For example, here I have the set of the natural union the set of the counting number, and the counting number, they are the sets which starts with number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on is the set of the counting number. So here when I ask you to get the union, the natural union, the counting, so ask yourself, who's big, the natural or the counting? So definitely natural is greater than the counting, so the answer, because he asked for the union, so the answer is going to be the set of the natural number. And if he asks you, like for example here he asks the set of the natural number intersect the prime numbers, the set of the prime. We also remember the prime number in our previous revision. They are 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, 13, 17 19, and so on. So the intersection give me the small set. Intersection give me small set, which is the prime numbers, the set of the prime number. So union give me big and intersection give me small sets. Okay, let's have exercise about this. On your page 13, exercise number 3, complete. Here we have the set of the even union, the set of the natural. So which one of them is the bigger set? Yes, miss, natural is the big set, and he asks for the union, and the union gave me big set, which is the set of the natural. Here also we have natural union, the set of the odd. This is union, so union gave me the big set, which is the natural, and natural union, the prime number union give me the big set, and the answer is going to be the natural. And another one, I know you can't do it by yourself now. The natural union, the counting, the big set is the natural, and this is union. Union give me big set, so the answer is going to be natural. And if he asks you to get the intersection between the natural and the counting, so intersection give me small set, and the smaller one here is the counting, so the answer is going to be the set of the counting. Now, what if he asks to get the difference between the even, different, the odd? So it means that I'm going to hide, yes, the set after the different sign. So when we had the odd, the left is the even. Here, the odd, different, the even. Now we're going to hide, yes, we're going to hide the even set. When we hide the even, so the answer is going to be the odd. Here, the natural, difference, the even. When we hide natural, please don't tell me that the answer is going to be, when we hide the even, don't tell me that the answer is going to be natural. Because, wait, natural, it has two sets inside it. The union between the even and the odd. So when you hide the even, so the thing that's going to left to you is the set of the odd number. I hope you understand this quick revision about the sets, and you'll be able to solve more exercises by yourself. Okay, now we're going to get to the second part of our revision. It's about the equation. We studied the equation last year, and there's some videos that you're going to find it in our school website. Please, you can see these videos again. And now we have a quick revision about the equation. When we have two parts, two equal parts, between them an equal sign, and so we're going to call this is an equation, but in the equation he will hide a number, and he asks you to get the value of the number to make these two parts are equal. To get the value of the unknown letters here, it means that you're going to solve the equation. So let's have some exercise about how I'm going to solve equation. Before we do that, there is some rules that you're going to just keep it in your mind, so we're going to use it when we solve the equation. The first one, when you see the addition sign, we're going to move it to the other part of the equation. Please change the addition into subtraction. If you see plus, move the number into the other part of the equation. That means that you're going to change the addition sign into subtraction sign. And if you see subtraction, change it to addition. If you see multiplication, change it to division. Yes, but when you see division, so easy, change the division into multiplication. How are you going to do this? This by solving exercise about the equation. Here we will start by exercise number 1 in your mini booklet, page 14. Solve the following equation. Here I have x plus 3, it will give me 12. Number, if I add it to 3, the answer is going to be number 12. So this is easy. This means I want to get the value of x. You will see that x has a number near it called plus 3. So I'm going to move plus 3 to the other part of the equation. Here is plus. When you move the 3 to the other part of the equation after the equal sign, yes, the plus is going to change into minus. So x equal, the unknown number here, equal 12 minus 3. This is easy. So 12 minus 3, it will give me 9. So the answer is going to be 9. And if you add 9 plus 3, the answer is going to be 12. So another one, here I have x plus 8, so it's easy. Move the a to the other part. This is plus. When we move it, we will change it to minus. So x equal 15 minus 8, that will give me 7. So the value of x here is 7. What about if it's minus? Here we have x minus 7 equal 25. This is so easy. I want the value of the x, so I will move negative 7 or minus 7 to the other part of the equation. I'm going to change it into plus. So x equal 25 plus 7. That will give me 32. So the answer is going to be 32. Here, so easy. Yes, y minus 5. Now you can do it by yourself. Move minus 5 to the other part of the equation. Minus is going to change to become plus. So here I have y equal 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5, my dear student, that will give me 12. So the answer of my equation, y equal 12. Now another one. So here I have 3x equal 27. Miss, I don't see any operation here. I don't see plus, I don't see minus, I don't see divide. So what I'm going to do about this one? This is so easy. This means 3 times x. Like there's here a heading multiply sign. So this means 3 times x. And I told you, when we move the 3 here is multiplied by x. So when we move the multiply number to the other side of the equation, we're going to change it into, yes, anyone said divide. This is excellent. Okay, clap your hand for yourself. So x equal 27 divided by 3. So 27 divided 3, my dear student, equal 9. So the value of x here is 9. Let us check our answer. 3 times 9, it will give me 27. So here 2 times y. There is no, you're not going to see the multiply here. So that means 2 times y. Move 2 to the other part of the equation by changing multiply into divide. So y equal 12 divided 2. 12 divided 2, yes, equal 6. So y equal 6. Here I have 1 over 6. Here 1, it means 1 divided 6. 1 divided 6. Here it's 6. It's divided. So we're going to move it to the other part. Yes, change the divide into multiply. So x equal 12 multiplied by 6. So x equal 72. This is so easy also. Exercise number H. 1 over 3, 1/3 y. It means 1 divided 3. So 3 here is divided in this part of the equation. So we move it to the other. We will move 3 to the other part of the equation. So it means divided. It will change into multiply. X multiplied by 3 equal, yes, y equal 18. Okay, another one. X divided 6 equal 6. Here is divide. Move the divide to the other part of the equation into, yes, multiply. So x equal 6 times 6. X, it will give me 36. The last one, you can do it by yourself. This is so easy, by the way. So I'm going to make another exercise. This is more. It has more steps here because we have 2 numbers in one side. Which one is that I'm going to get rid of it or to move it to the other part of the equation? So we will start by the number that away from x. Don't start with 3x because this is near to the x. I will start by plus 4. So I will move plus 4 to the other part of the equation. Here is plus. I'm going to move it by minus. Very good. So 3x equal 19 minus 4. So 3x equal 19 minus 4, my dear student, it will give me 15. Now we have the first type of the equation. So this is 3 times x. Move the 3 to the other part of the equation. Move the multiply, so it will become divide. Yes, so x equal 15 divided 3, so x equal 5. Okay, another one. Here I have 5x plus 7 equal 27. Move the number which is away from x first, so I will move plus 7 to the other part. It will give me 27 minus 7. Minus 7, because we changed the plus, it became minus. 27 minus 7, it will give me 20. Very good. So I will write 5x equal 20. Now I'm going to move or get rid of the 5 by moving it to the other part of the equation. Here we have, yes, 5 times x. So 5 times it's going to change to become divide. Very good. So x equal 20 divided 5. So x it will give me 4. Okay, another exercise. This is so easy. 2y minus 6 equal 12. Yes, think about it. Which number that I'm going to move to the other part is 2 or negative 6 or minus 6? Yes, minus 6 is the excellent student, so we will move minus 6 to the other part of the equation. Minus 6, it will become plus 6. So the answer here is going to be 2y equal 12 plus 6. This will give me 18. So 2y equal 18. 2 times y equal 18. 2 times, I'm going to move it to the other part of the equation by changing it into divide. So y equal 18 divided 2. This is easy. So y equal 9. The last one, yes, the same idea. Move 4 to the other part. Minus 4, it will become plus 4. So 5z equal 1 plus 4. It will give me 5. 5z equal 5. Move the 5. Here is multiply. Move it to the other part of the equation. It will become 5 divided 5. 5 divided 5, my dear student, it will give me 1. So z equal 1. Okay, by the end of this, we came to the end of our today revision. I hope you understand it, and I'm waiting you to solve more exercise about it. And remember, when you practice more, you will become more and more excellent in math. So see you next time, my dear student, and God bless you all. Goodbye.